Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can turn on the dark mode or dark theme for your Google Chrome web browser really quickly. So let us get started right away. Now, basically, there are two different ways how you can do that, guys. As you can see, I am currently using the dark mode or dark theme here on Google search in my Google Chrome web browser. The first option would be to simply enable dark mode through your search engine options or settings. To do that, simply log into your Google account here on google.com. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select more settings from that drop-down menu here. And inside your search settings, make sure that you select other settings here on the left panel. Scroll down a bit and enable dark theme here. So you can turn it on or turn it off and confirm it by clicking on confirm here. That's the first option. The other option would be, guys, to simply download an extension for your Google Chrome web browser. To do that, click on that icon here at the top, extensions, select manage extensions from the drop down menu here. After that, head over to your list of currently installed extensions and click on Chrome Web Store here to the left to access or to gain access to even more Chrome extensions. And here in the Chrome Web Store, simply use the search bar at the top and type in, for instance, dark mode or dark theme or something like that, and select one of the extensions listed below like that. When you, for instance, confirm by clicking on add to Chrome here, give the given extension the permission to be installed on Google Chrome. And once the extension has been installed, Google Chrome will be displayed in dark mode, as you can see. Super simple. So that's basically it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll catch you later.